Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with ChatGPT. Whenever you are trying to use, you got the error, sorry you have been blocked. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to disconnect the VPN. To do this, go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select network and internet. On right side select VPN. If you have connected to any VPN over here, then you just need to select the disconnect option and disconnect your VPN guys, and then check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to clear the ChatGPT's site data. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome, click on the three dot icon, scroll down and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select third party cookies. Now you need to scroll down and select see all site data and permissions and search for openai.com. Click on the trash icon and select delete it guys. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to disable browser extensions. To do this, you just need to click on the three dot icon and select extensions and select manage extensions. And now you just need to disable all extensions over here. After disabling all extensions, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to connect to the VPN. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download Proton VPN and download the Proton VPN guys. After getting download done, you just need to install it. After installing it, open it and select the quick connect and connect to the VPN. After connecting in the VPN, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.